Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to talk about how to change printhead for this Epson 16500. This printer is huge. It's a wide format printer, and sometimes you can get a really good price for it. If you need a printhead, its printhead is exactly the same as WF 3610. You can get used ones pretty inexpensively from eBay. We're going to sell brand new printhead at BCH but it'll be a lot more expensive than the price you see on eBay. So I'll show another video and explain the difference of the quality of the printheads. We get ours from Real Epson channel, so we have to wait at least we wait 2 months now to get 220. So this weekend they gave me a go-ahead green light. They said they have 20 for me, so I'm really happy. For the eBay ones, they get from dumpster. If they look pretty good, they will mark it as new. And I'm going to buy some from eBay and do a comparison in the next video. Okay, with further ado, here's Abby.
Hey guys, it's Abby. So I'm going to be explaining how I changed out this print head on this printer. So the first thing I did was I took off that cover, exposing the cartridges here. And here I'm showing there's this little tab underneath where it clicks in. And you really need to kind of hook your finger up under there and push on that tab to release the cartridge, and then you can lift it out. If you have like a little tool, a lot of times in our videos we talk about the little dentist tool that we use. If you just have something under there that you can hook it up, it'll be easy to pull out. Alright, so then we pull this black piece out, and then we can go ahead and get our screwdriver and take out the 3 screws that are holding the print head down. As you begin to pull your print head out, you can pull it out and then kind of flip it backwards, but this is where I realized that this printer had something kind of different in it. It had a piece of tape there that I was pulling back, but then it also had this plastic piece on that right side of the print head. So I had to be careful with that and kind of pull that plastic piece back, but you can lift your print head up and then sort of flip it backwards, so you'll be able to pull out the FFC cables. Okay, and then so the print head is free, and then I can go ahead and work on putting in the new one. So it was just a little finagling of working with that right side where that right FFC cable was and that plastic piece. I'm not really sure why they have that plastic piece in on this printer. It was just kind of in the way, but took a little bit of finagling just to get that in there correctly. But so put your print head upside down, and put your FFC cables in and fit it back in there properly. Having your print head upside down while you're putting in your FFC cables makes it a little bit easier once you flip it back and lay it down. I had to pull that plastic piece up as I laid my piece back in, my print head back in, but then I just laid that plastic side cover on the right back down and then screwed my 3 screws in. Once I finish that, I'll take that black plastic piece and I'll snap that back down into place, because that's what's going to hold my cartridges in. Then take your cartridges and fit those back into place. Make sure that you don't have the tubes twisted up, and then make sure the cartridges go in the right spot. If you get confused, just follow the tubes. They fit in the little grooves that go along there, so just follow those and that should help guide you to make sure they go in the right spot. Okay, and then we have that top cover again. Here I am just sticking my tubes down in those grooves. As you can see, they really will fit down and kind of snap into place there, and that will help make that cover fit on easier. And here I was showing you there's going to be 3 little holes or 3 little tab areas that top cover is going to fit into. So if you kind of just slide it in, and it will snap into place, and that's how you get your top cover on, and then you'll see those tabs. That's how you get your top cover off. and then putting that top screw on. Happy printing!